Hello friends, it's an interesting episode on redox reactions. Let's start it. This episode is brought to you by Chemistry Notes Info. Chemical reactions are generally classified into three types. First, precipitation reaction. Second, acid-base neutralization. Third, redox reactions. Redox reaction is a very important group of reactions. These reactions are involved in large number of processes in nature, biological and industrial system. Definition of redox reaction. Redox or reduction oxidation reactions are the chemical reactions in which oxidation state of atom is get changed. Redox reactions are conducted by the transfer of electrons from one chemical species, that is reducing agent, undergoing oxidation, that is losing electron, to another chemical species, that is oxidizing agent, undergoes reduction, that is gain electrons. Before going to discuss this chapter, please clear few things in your mind, that is the chemical species which are going to oxidize or which are going to oxidation is called as reducing agent, and oxidation means losing of electrons. Similarly, the chemical species which are going to reduction or which are undergoes reduction, that is gaining of electrons, reduction means gaining of electrons, is called as oxidizing agent. Okay, classical concept of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation is a reaction which involves the addition of oxygen or any other electronegative element, or the removal of hydrogen or any electropositive element from the substance. For example, C plus O2 CO2 is a type of oxidation of reaction. So this involves oxidation of carbon. Reduction. Reactions which involve the addition of hydrogen or any electropositive element or removal of oxygen or any electronegative element. It is just the reverse of oxidation. Example, Cl2 plus H2 gives 2HCl. Reduction of chlorine. Electronic concept of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation. An oxidation is defined as loss of one or more electron from a substance. For example, Na undergoes Na plus electron. Reduction. A reduction is defined as the gain of one or more electrons by a substance. For example, Cl2 plus 2 electron gives 2Cl minus. Oxidizing agent or oxidant. Oxidizing agent is a substance which accepts or gains electrons and causes the oxidation of the other substance. Reducing agent or reductant. Reducing agent is a substance which donates electrons or cause reduction of the other substance. So you can also simply memorize it as oxidizing agent is the substance which oxidize other substance. Reducing agent is the substance which reduce other substance. Redox reaction, also known as oxidation reduction reaction. The reactions in which oxidation and reduction reactions occur simultaneously are called redox reaction. In redox reactions, electrons are transferred from one substance to other substance. Therefore, these reactions are electron transfer reaction. For example, Zn plus 2 Cu2 plus gives Zn2 plus Cu. So Zn loses 2 electron in this reaction while Cu gains 2 electron. So Zn undergo oxidation and Cu undergo reduction. So Cu2 plus reduced to Cu and Zn oxidized to Zn2 plus. Oxidation number or oxidation state. Oxidation number of an element is in a compound is defined as number of electrical charge it carries when all other atoms are removed from it as ion. Rules to assign oxidation numbers. The oxidation number of an atom in free uncombined elemental state is 0. Always remember this rule. That is, the oxidation number of an atom in free uncombined elemental state is always 0. For example, H2, Ca, Cl2, O3, S8, P4 and so on has oxidation number 0. The oxidation number of an atom in a monoatomic ion is equal to its charge. For example, K plus having oxidation number plus 1, Ba2 plus 2, Cr3 plus 3, Br minus 1, S2 minus 2. When hydrogen atom is bounded to non-metals, its oxidation number is plus 1, and when it is bounded to metals, its oxidation number is minus 1. Dear friends, you can also visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to read or to view these notes on our website. You can also download PDF of all these chemistry chapters which we will teach in podcasts from our Telegram channel. Name of Telegram channel is Chemistry Notes Info. You can search Telegram channel as @Chemistry Notes Info. Okay, let's continue our discussion on redox reactions. So we are discussing rules to assign oxidation numbers. So the oxidation number of oxygen is usually -2 in all of its compounds except in peroxides or peroxide ion where it has oxidation number of -1. For example, CaO. In this compound, Ca has +2 and oxygen has -2 oxidation state. HOOH, so means H2O2. In this compound, H have +1 and O have -1, and another O has -1 and another H has +1. And similarly in O-O2 minus. So in this compound, O has -1 and another O has -1. The oxidation number of fluorine F is -1 in all of its compounds. The other halogen, chlorine, bromine and iodine, usually exhibits oxidation number of -1 in their halides compounds. However, when chlorine, bromine, iodine are bonded to oxygen, then they exhibit oxidation number of +1. For example, HF. In this compound, H has +1 and F has -1 oxidation state. And similarly in KBr, K has +1 and Br has -1. And similarly in OCl2, so O has Cl2O. So O has -2 and Cl has +1 and another Cl has +1, and similarly HOCl. So H has +1, O has -2 and another and Cl has +1. The algebraic sum of the oxidation state of all the atoms in a neutral molecule is 0, and for the polyatomic ion it is equal to the net charge of the ion. For example, in HCl, oxidation number of H plus H has +1 and oxidation number of Cl has -1. So total is 0. That is +1 -1 is equal to 0. Using above rules, we can calculate oxidation number of an atom in any molecule or ion. So I think you understand very well how to calculate oxidation number. So let's take a test. Determine the oxidation number of N in HNO3. You have 5 seconds to think. Tick, 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 tick. Okay. Oxidation number of N in HNO3 is +3. How? Let's explain. HNO3 is a neutral molecule. So, sum of oxidation number of all atoms A of HNO3 is equal to 0. So, On of H, oxidation, that is oxidation number of H plus oxidation number of N plus 2 into oxidation number of O is equal to 0. So +1 for H and oxidation number of plus oxidation number of N plus 2 for 2 minus -2 is equal to 0. So +1 plus oxidation number of N minus 4 is equal to 0. So oxidation number of N minus 3 is equal to 0. So oxidation number of N is equal to +3. If you don't understand this explanation, please do visit our website, because I know it's really difficult to imagine what I am speaking. So please download our notes from our Telegram channel or visit our website and open this chapter when I am explaining. Okay. Let's take another example of PtCl6 2-. Okay. So oxidation number of Pt in PtCl6 2- is +4. Key points: oxidation, loss of electron, increase in oxidation number of oxidized species, reduction, gain of electron, decrease in oxidation number of reduced species. Redox reaction: oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously together. Simultaneous loss and gain of electron, simultaneous increase and decrease in the oxidation number. Oxidizing agent or oxidant causes oxidation of other except electron, itself undergoes reduction. Reducing agent or reductant causes reduction of others, donate electron, itself undergoes oxidation. Balancing of oxidation reduction or redox reactions. Two important methods are used for systematic balancing of redox reaction. First is oxidation number method and second method is ion electron method, that is half reaction method. Okay, we are explaining both. Oxidation number method. So first step is write the unbalanced net equation of the redox reaction. Assign the oxidation number to all the atoms in both the reactant and product. Step second, identify the atoms that have changed oxidation number. Draw brackets to connect atoms of the elements that are oxidized or reduced. Step third, calculate the increase or decrease in the oxidation number per atom of molecule. If increase and decrease in oxidation number is not equal, then equalize them by multiplying with a suitable number. Step 6, balance hydrogen and oxygen. For balancing oxygen number for balancing oxygen atoms, add water molecule to the side containing less oxygen atoms. Balancing of hydrogen atoms depend upon the medium, that is acidic or basic. For acidic solution, add H plus ions on the side deficient in hydrogen atoms. For basic solution, add H2O molecule to the side deficient in hydrogen atom and simultaneously add equal number of OH minus ions on other side of the equation. Step 5. Check the balance equation to make sure that the reaction is balanced with respect to both the number of atoms of each element and charge. Okay, you can visit our website to see example also, but I am not explaining example here because it's difficult to explain or it's difficult to listen also or learn from by listening also, because the transfer of electrons, transfer of addition, oxygen, you don't understand that. Just listen the steps. Now we talk about second method. Second method is ion electron method, half reaction method. Step first, write the unbalanced equation for the redox reaction and assign the oxidation numbers to all the atoms in the reactants and products. Divide the equation into two half equations. One half is oxidation, in which oxidation number of oxidized species increases, and other half is reduction, in which oxidation number of reduced species decreases. Step third, balance the atoms except O and H in each half equation. Balance O atom by adding H2O to the side with less O atoms. Balance H atoms by adding H plus ions to the side with less H atoms. Step 5. Balance the charges by adding appropriate number of electrons to the right side of oxidation half equation and to the left of reduction half equation. Step 6. Multiplying half equation by suitable factors to equalize the number of electrons in two half equation. Then add two half equation and cancel the number of electrons on both the sides of the equation. Step 7. If the reaction occurs in basic medium, then add OH minus ions equation equal to the number of H plus ions on both the side of the equation. H plus and OH minus ions on the same side combine to give H2O molecule. Step 8. Check the equation is balanced for both the atoms and charges. So, to see the example of this method, do visit our website or download PDF from Telegram channel Chemistry Notes Info. Now we are discussing about application of redox reactions. So there are so many applications of redox reaction. First is combustion. Burning of a substance by oxidation with oxygen in air is called combustion. Combustion involves redox reactions. Bleaching, decolorization or lightening of colored materials uses redox reaction and is called bleaching. Batteries, the electricity produced in batteries or galvanic cells is due to redox reactions occurring in them. Metallurgy, the extraction and purification of metals uses redox reactions in different steps. Corrosion, the corrosion is the destruction of metals by oxidation. For example, rusting of iron is its oxidation by oxygen of air in presence of moisture. 4Fe plus 3O2 in presence of H2O gives 2Fe2O3 dot H2O, that is corroded iron. Respiration, the process of breathing and using oxygen is biological redox reactions and is called respiration. You are listening these notes by the help of www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. If you find this episode interesting, do follow us and subscribe us. Do not forget to visit our website and join us at our Telegram channel and also visit our YouTube channel. Search for chemistrynotesinfo.com at Google also to get connected with us.